my name is Nikki and I'm a traveling yogi here in the northern jungle of Bali, Indonesia at E-Community, surrounded by a lovely flowing river, wonderful trees and nature, and lots of insects, so you might hear them in the background. Today, we are going to be doing yoga for corporate or professional employees who may have some back pain. Or even if you're not in the corporate world, you might also be on a computer or on your phone for many hours a day. So this is also for you too. Let's get out the kinks in our neck and the pain in our back together, shall we? Let's get to it. We're going to begin by just sitting in a nice easy seat. We're going to start rolling our neck and our head into a big circle, going nice and slow. Seeing where you have any kinks. And then roll the other way. We're going to drop our right ear by our right shoulder. You can take your right hand, pull it closer, bringing it to your head to pull your ear a little bit closer towards your shoulder. And then you can walk your left fingertips out to the side. Feel this nice stretch in your neck here. We'll do the other side, rolling our head through center, over to the left side. Again, you can bring your left hand to pull you closer, pull your ear closer to your shoulder, and then walking your right fingertips out to the side. Seeing how this feels here. Good. And we'll let this go. We'll do one more head roll in each direction, going nice and slow, being gentle with yourself. And just taking this time for you. It's good to get movement. I know we're sitting all day, so it's really good to start with some movement here. We'll place our hands onto our knees and we'll puff out our chest, really bringing our shoulder blades back together. And then bring your shoulders inward, curving your spine. Again, puff out your chest, shoulder blades touch in the back, and then curve your spine, chest comes in and contracts. Good, one more time, puffing out our chest and contracting here. Great work. We'll place our hands out in front of us, coming into a nice neutral tabletop, wrists under our shoulder, knees under our glutes. We're going to do the similar motion here, but now that we're in this tabletop, we'll drop our belly down, gaze comes up. Feel this here in your spine. You may even feel this in your lower back. Just taking note of how this feels. And then tucking your chin into your chest, raising your spine, cat pose. Good. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Good. We're going to bring our right arm to the sky, like you're picking an apple off of a tree, really reaching, and then sending your arm through, threading the needle, bringing your right shoulder to the ground and your right cheek. Your left fingertips can walk out straight in front of you, or you can bind behind your back, getting a nice twist here. Good. A hanging out here for a moment. Big inhale. And exhale, letting your mind clear. If you're minded, we'll unravel, pressing our left hand into the mat. Right hand raises towards the sky again. And then we'll switch this out. Right hand plants, left hand raises. Like you're picking an apple off of a tree. Reaching for the sky and then threading it through, bringing your left cheek and left shoulder to the mat and binding your right hand behind or walking those right fingertips out in front of you. Unbinding and unraveling and pressing your right hand into the mat to raise your left hand to the sky. Come back into your neutral tabletop. Bring your knees out wide and sink back onto your heels. Child's pose, walking your hands out in front of you. We'll pop back into a neutral tabletop, pressing into your toes, coming up to downward facing dog just for a moment. Walk your toes towards your hands. Slowly hang here for a moment, rocking side to side, maybe grabbing opposite elbows, and then rolling yourself up one vertebrae at a time. Inhaling, arms up overhead, and then grabbing your right wrist with your left hand, pulling over to the left side. Little side body stretch here. Come through center, switch this out, grabbing your left wrist over to the right side. Good. And then inhale, arms up overhead, little back bend. Again, hands to heart center. Awesome work. We're going to come to the middle of our mat and bring our feet a little bit wider than hip width apart. And your toes are going to point at a 45, 60-degree angle. Sinking down into your glutes, little squat here. Now, you're going to take your fingers. Your four fingers are going to press on the inside of your thigh, and your thumb is going to come towards the back of your thigh here. Now, we're going to press into our thighs and bring our left shoulder, dip it down into the mat in front of you, and come on back up. Right shoulder dips down and up. One more round, dipping down, hold here for a moment. And switch this out. Really great stretch for your inner thighs and shoulder. And then pop all the way up, straighten your legs. Inhale, arms up to the sky. And then exhale, forward fold, wide-legged forward fold. We're gonna shake side to side, so bending into your right knee. You'll feel a nice big stretch here in your left leg, and then switch sides. Feel the stretch here. One more time, switch this out. And do the other side. We'll come to center, trying to bring yourself as far as you can down to the ground. It's okay if you can't touch the ground. And then slowly roll up. We'll heel toe our feet back to center. Inhale your arms up to the sky. And exhale, hands to heart center. That is our flow for today for back pain. If you're staring at a computer or looking at your phone all day, really, really great to stretch the legs and incorporate movement with your back and your shoulders. For more flows, you can check out more of my channel, and it'll help you with movements for your hips, for your legs. I got all of the things for you. So check out more of my page, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your feedback. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon. Namaste. Bye.